How are you guys doing? My name is Tony. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title, I did another hair transformation as promised from my previous video. So don't worry, there's nothing wrong with your screen. I'm just putting this in black and white because I don't want you to see the result of my hair yet. So we have something to look forward to till the end of the video, so do stick around. So today's video is gonna be a two-phase process. The first one is I'm bleaching my hair because I've got my roots up to here. It had grown so much after like 8 or 9 months from me bleaching it first, and then the second phase would be me coloring my hair blue, or probably I'll be putting this on the thumbnail, so you've probably seen it already. But anyways, let's get started.
Alright, so this is the blank canvas we'll be working on today. A few days back I had faded out the pink in my hair, so I'm left with this brownish, peachy pink, pale pink color. And as you can see, my roots have grown out. I bleached my hair in March, so that's over 9 months ago. So it's time to bleach my roots, and we are using the same bleaching powder I had used that time. I had plenty left, and I'll be using a 30 volume developer, also a leftover from that session. And I've got my tools here, my mixing bowl, my gloves, and my brush. And then we start mixing, so like how I normally do with my hair mixtures, I eyeball everything. So I just put enough bleaching powder there, and then enough developer just to create the right consistency that I am happy with, that I think should work. So it's kind of an experiment for me, and until I reach this kind of consistency, so I am happy with it. Now let's start bleaching. Okay, first wear your gloves, and then don't mind me looking to the side because my mirror is here, and then pray to the gods that everything will be all right.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Okay, so this is how my hair looks like dried out. It looks really frizzy, but it's still soft. It's alive, I assure you. Okay, so let's open our package here. This is my hair colors, hair toners, and I've got plenty here. One, the second, the third, and then the last one. I got a bottle of 10 volume developer, which I'm using, my gloves, my hair tools, and I've got plenty of mixing bowls because I'm planning of doing 2 mixtures or 3. And then I have my Revolution Plex to revive my hair after toning it. So these are my color, tea blue it's all from Fanola, and this is ash brown, the lightest I think, and this toner is ice, so it's like silver. So I'm ready. Let's start. Okay, so this was the plan. I wanted my roots darker, so I had put the ash toner with the blue toner together and mixed it with a 10 volume developer because I wanted my roots darker than the rest of my hair. So I have mixed these two toners together with the developer, and then of course I have added more blue to it, and I mixed a lot of it, so I just moved some to the other bowl for my second mixture, which I plan to be the lighter ones for my tips. So I just added the ice toner on this one, more of it, so it is more lighter than the first mixture that I was planning of putting on my roots. So I was just experimenting everything here. So these are my final shade, so there's a difference in the shades, right? Okay, so let's begin.
Take a drag of my cigarette, breathe me out, breathe you in, yeah. Take a bite of my burger, babe, save the last bite for you, for you. Ooh. Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Could I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too. 7 years of a perfect love, 7 more and another one, and another one. Finding you was a wanderlust, 7 wonders all in one, all in one. Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous.
Okay, so it's getting dark now and I am tired of filming, so I'll probably come back tomorrow with the results.
So are you guys ready for the result? It had taken me 2 days after doing my hair because I felt lazy yesterday. So, and today it's quite dark because I was waiting for the sunset because I have good lighting after 4 p.m. here in my living room, but then I didn't expect that it's gonna be cloudy today, so it's dark outside. So I'm filming this with my ring light, so I couldn't prolong this anymore, so I have to film this tonight and show you what my hair looks like even with just the ring light on my next videos or so. You'd see me with my hair color in natural lighting. So yeah, let's do the reveal. This is what my hair looks like. Ta-da! So it's blue. It's denim blue, ink blue, whatever. And actually, I had like, oh, wait. Okay, I got my broom here because this is what happened when I finished dyeing my hair. It was the color. Like literally, this is my broom. So literally this was the color. It's so not vibrant and I didn't like it, so I had to redo it. And with the help of the extra toner that I had, the ash ice toner, and I mixed it with this because I had this lying around. It's like a okay, I don't have my glasses, so it enhances the color. So this is Wala 050. I'll put in the description below what exactly this is. I forgot. So what I did was, after drying out my hair, I put some Revolution Plex. This is a lifesaver. It's a dupe from the Olaplex. I haven't tried that, but this one really works because my hair is just revived. See that? My hair is so soft and it's shiny, and it's like I didn't even bleach it. So it's looking healthy, and you be the judge. But this really works. So if you're processing your hair with bleaching or dyeing or toning, whatever, have something like this. So you can have the Olaplex. I think there are a lot of brands out there, but this was the quickest one that I could get my hands on. So I got this, and it really saved my hair from damage. So no regrets. I really love it. So yeah, that was it. This is the color of my hair. How do you like it? And I have blow dried this and straightened it a bit, and I tried curling it, but I didn't like the style. I have shaved my undercut. So yeah, you can see an undertone of purple, but trust me, it's not. It's really bright during the daylight. It's blue. It's blue. So if you have any questions of how I did it, or if something wasn't clear to you of the process that I did, just put in your comments below and I'll reply to you as much and as truthfully as I can. So thank you very much for watching till the end of the video. I hope to see you in the next one. So let me enjoy my holiday hair, which is blue, looking purple, but no, it's not. So give me a like if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and see you on my next one.
Young Apollo with the